After the release of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro from Samsung in the beginning of the year, Samsung just released its new earbuds, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Now they are actually the follow-up product of the Galaxy Buds Plus, which means they're not on the same level as the Galaxy Buds Pro, but therefore they are not that expensive. Now, to be honest, I used to use always the free in-ears that you get when you buy a new smartphone, and recently I used the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, which I got for free, as well as I bought the Huawei Watch 3. Now I got the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, and to be honest, I really like them. Hey, my name is Leonard, you're watching the product reviewer, and that's me. So what do we get in the box? Next to the earbuds and the case, of course, we will also get an USB-A to USB-C charging cable, some paper stuff, and 3 different sizes of earplugs. You should try all 3 of them since it's very important for the sound quality, for the comfort level, and that the ANC is working properly. The case looks like the case of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. It is actually pretty small and I never really felt it in my pocket. Overall, you can get the Galaxy Buds 2 in 4 different colors. Now you can get them in olive green like the ones I got right here for you guys. You can get them in lavender purple, graphite black, or white. Which leads me to the first minus point that I got with these earbuds, and that is that they always come in the same glossy white case. Don't matter if you pick purple, green, or black. It's always the same shiny one, and it's easy to get scratches on, and especially your fingerprints. As for the case itself, it has a little status LED, the USB-C port for charging of course, and you can even wireless charge these earbuds if you want to, which is great for the price of just 150 euros. On the inside of the case, you will finally get to see which color earbuds you will get. And unlike the outside of the case, the inside is matte for whatever reason. The earbuds are held magnetically inside of the case, so you won't lose them. And I'm serious, you really have to try hard in order for them to fall out. I mean, like, that's no problem. That's no problem. So you really have to try hard. As for the design of the earbuds, they kind of look like they fused the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Galaxy Buds Live together. And once again, we have the glossy look on them, which I'm not a really big fan of. And that's about it for the design. Now, as for the comfort level, I really enjoy wearing them. Now, they're even a little bit smaller than the Galaxy Buds Plus, and I barely feel them when I'm wearing them. Not even after like 2 hours of walking, and that means they are very comfy. Now, one of my biggest problems with earbuds in general is that they always fall out my ear, no matter what I do. Maybe it's just I have some weird ears, some small ears or whatever. But when I compare the Galaxy Buds 2 with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, they don't fall out as easy, which is a big plus point for me. These earbuds are IPX2 water and sweat proof. So as long as you're not running in some very heavy rainstorm, you should be fine. And now up to the compatibility. The Galaxy Buds 2 are compatible with all Android smartphones and especially easy to connect if you have a Samsung smartphone as well. Now, of course, you will need the Galaxy Wearable app as well, which you can download for free in the App Store to make fully use out of these earbuds. Now, you can connect them to iPhone and iOS devices as well, which I have not tried and I don't really know how that works, but it's possible. As for the Galaxy Wearable app, it is very easy and simple to understand. On the front page, you can choose between active noise cancelling and ambient sound, or you can just turn both of them off. You have some control settings as well. With one tap, you can play and pause the track, double tap to play the next track, or triple tap to play the previous song again. Now, I told you that you can change between ANC and ambient noise right on your app. But you can do the same if you just give your earbuds a longer press on either side. Through SmartThings, you can even locate your earbuds if you lose them, and the biggest part we have are the earbud settings. Over here you can change between different equalizers, you can activate Bixby Voice Assistant on your earbuds, or you can turn on the seamless earbuds connection. So you can switch between different Samsung devices easier without having to disconnect from another one. And as for last, you can update your earbuds over here in the app as well, check out the labs and experimental features, or activate the use of ambient sound during your calls. The touch controls on the earbuds are very good, but also very sensitive. Sometimes I accidentally pause the track, but you get the hang of it very quick. I mean, I sometimes have to push the earbuds back into my ears since I already told you I have weird ears, and sometimes they fall out, so I have to push them back in, and when I do that, I pause the track, which is kind of annoying. The ANC on these earbuds might not be better than with the Galaxy Buds Pro, but definitely better than on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro that I always use. Now, the ambient sound sounds a little bit fake and unnatural, so they're not the best over here. But therefore, the sound quality when you talk to some friends is very good. That always used to be one of the biggest problems with the Galaxy earbuds, but apparently they fixed that. So I tested it on some friends and they all told me that I sound pretty clear and normal, and some even told me that they didn't even notice that I'm talking through my earbuds. So that's a big plus point. That and the sound quality are the two highlights that I have with the Galaxy Buds 2. And especially if you think about how fast prices are dropping on new tech, you might get these ones for less in just a few months. Now overall, the Galaxy Buds 2 are a little bit heavier on the bass side of things, which I personally like. What I really like is that the sound quality is well balanced and even vocals are very clear to hear. And I mean, for that price, it's very good. I mean, the Galaxy Buds Pro, they're not that much better. And as for the battery life, Samsung states that they will last for about 5 hours if you have the ANC turned on and about 7.5 hours if you have it turned off. And through my testing, I got to the exact same results. So pretty good. And by the way, you get about 3 full charges out of your charging case, if it's of course fully charged. And folks, that's it for the video. And I know it's something new and it's not the usual smartwatch stuff that you will expect on my channel, but let me know in the comments below if you like that content, if you like earbuds, headphones and all that stuff, since I really like testing them, since I really like listening to some music. And also, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, also click the notification bell so you never miss out on any new content. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And with that being said, see you the next time. Peace.